So many times we experience sudden acute back spasms when we either lift an object in an improper fashion, or we travel certain long distance routes, or if we have been in an improper posture during our daily routine. So what are the 5 things you need to do so that this sudden back pain goes away and doesn't recur again and again? So we have to realize that most of these sudden back spasms are because of muscular cramps in the back. Now these muscle cramps are similar to muscle cramps elsewhere in the body. Suppose I do a biceps workout and I lift maybe 2 times what I am normally used to lifting. What happens is that my muscle goes in spasm. I cannot work out that muscle for maybe a week or so. Similarly, in the back, when we do these improper maneuvers, our back muscles may go in spasm. Now, what we need to do is we need to, number one, give the muscle complete rest. So, maybe for a couple of days, 3 days, the muscle needs to be in rest. If we do some activity on top of this, like you do some extension exercises, some stretching, or you do some improper physiotherapy, then that may lead to increasing the muscle spasm, and that may not be the right way for healing of your muscle. The second thing you need to do is take proper muscle relaxants. During this period of muscle spasm, when the muscle is having a tight cramp, the pain is so intensive that you may not be able to sit properly or walk properly. So you need to take muscle relaxants, which are not painkillers, but they help pacify your muscle aches. The third thing you need to do to avoid this episode occurring again is increase the tone of your muscles. So like the example I gave previously, if I'm not able to lift double the weight that I am normally used to, I gradually go on increasing the weight so that over a period of 3 to 6 months, I am able to lift that weight. So that is the same thing we have to do with our back. So you have to do isometric training of the back, gradual overloading of your back muscles, so that they can be geared up for these sudden chance events that you are going to be straining your back and exposing your back to. Weight reduction, obviously the more the weight, the more the muscles and the lower back is going to be strained, and that's going to lead to these recurrent muscle aches occurring in more frequency. The last thing that I would like to emphasize is that we need to have proper nutrition for the health of our muscles, our bones, so that your vitamin levels up normal, your vitamin B12, D3, they're very crucial for your muscle health. Regular exercising that we do, that also helps in keeping the muscles in tone. So these are few things that we need to take care of to avoid these recurrent muscle spasms.